Sometimes owning a car feels like pouring money into a bottomless pit. Repairs, inspections, fuel, and endless accessories. But not every expense is a drain. Some can actually protect your wallet, like a dash cam. These little devices can be lifesavers for accident claims, security, and peace of mind. And here's the best part. You don't need to spend $500 to get one. In today's video, we're diving into 10 budget-friendly dash cams that perform really well compared to their price tag. The Torvo TD3 is one of those budget dash cams that makes us wonder why anyone would still pay hundreds for a premium model. With 4K video up front and 1080p in the rear, it captures every detail we'd want, whether it's road signs, license plates, or unexpected moments on the road. WDR ensures the footage stays clear in both bright daylight and low light. What really makes life easier is the built-in 5G Wi-Fi and app control. We can review, download, and share clips instantly without pulling out the SD card. Add GPS for route and speed tracking, sharp night vision, and a wide 170-degree field of view. And we're covered in nearly every situation. On top of that, there's a 24/7 parking mode for protection while parked, simple installation, and durability against extreme weather. With a 64GB card included, the TD3 feels like a premium package at a budget-friendly price. When it comes to budget dash cams, we don't always expect sleek design and advanced features rolled into one. But the THINKWARE F70 Pro delivers exactly that. Compact enough to sit quietly on the windshield, it still gives us full 1080p HD recording with sharp contrast and accurate colors, making sure every drive is captured with clarity. What makes it stand out is the smart connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily pair it to your phone through the THINKWARE Dash Cam Link app to adjust settings, replay footage, or download clips instantly. Parking protection is another highlight, with multiple modes like motion and impact detection, time-lapse, and energy saving, so your car stays covered even when you're not around. Super Night Vision ensures low-light recordings are clear, while the smart temperature control keeps it safe in extreme heat. The F70 Pro is a compact, reliable, and smart choice under $100. Nextbase is a name we often associate with reliability, and their 222 model shows why the brand has become such a strong player in the dash cam market. It delivers crisp Full HD 1080p recording at 30 frames per second, paired with a 6-layer glass lens that captures clear, detailed footage across a 140-degree wide view, enough to cover up to 6 lanes of traffic. One of our favorite features here is the quick-release magnetic mount, which makes it effortless to pop the camera off and switch it between vehicles, or simply take it inside when you don't want it on display. The 2.5-inch screen is another nice touch, letting us line up the camera perfectly and review clips on the spot without needing a phone. With intelligent parking mode, loop recording, and a G sensor to lock important files, the Nextbase 222 offers simple yet effective protection in a very user-friendly package. When we talk about budget dash cams that feel far more premium than their price tag suggests, the Kingslim D5 4K definitely earns a spot on that list. What sets it apart immediately is the display. Bright, sharp, and much clearer than what we usually see under $100. But it's not just about looks. This dash cam records in true 4K, which means license plates, signs, and small details are all captured with crisp precision. Pair that with HDR technology, a Sony image sensor, and a 6-layer glass lens, and we get impressive night vision that makes driving after dark feel much more secure. The built-in GPS is another big plus, logging routes and speeds directly into your footage without extra setup. With Wi-Fi and an easy-to-use companion app, we can download and manage files right from our phone. Add in simple 5-minute installation, and the Kingslim D5 4K proves budget can absolutely feel high-end. If we're looking for a dash cam that balances affordability with some seriously impressive features, the 70mm 2.7K dash cam is a strong contender. Offering 1944p resolution in the front and 1080p in the rear, it gives you full coverage that's especially useful in rear-end collision disputes. What really makes it shine, though, is the night owl vision. using advanced image processing and WDR to deliver clear, balanced footage both day and night. With built-in GPS, your speed, routes, and exact location are always logged, providing reliable evidence when needed. The 70M AI also includes handy features like time-lapse recording to save storage, loop recording to keep things continuous, and a 24-hour smart parking mode for peace of mind when you're away from the car. Thanks to built-in Wi-Fi and app control, it's easy to review or share footage straight from your phone. Altogether, the 70Mi feels like a top-tier upgrade at a budget-friendly price. When it comes to capturing every angle of our drives without breaking the bank, the Galphi Dash Cam really impresses. With a 2.5K front, 1080p inside, and 1080p rear recording, you get detailed footage from all directions. Perfect for evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Night driving? No problem. The Super Night Vision and Auto IR cabin camera make sure everything stays clear, even in low light. We love the convenience of Wi-Fi and app control, letting us adjust settings, view live streams, and download footage directly to our phone without any subscriptions. For added peace of mind, 24-hour parking mode keeps watch when you're away, recording even in low FPS to save power when hardwired. The low-profile design keeps your windshield clear, and with a 64GB SD card included plus an extra USB port for charging, the Galphi is as practical as it is reliable. For drivers who want a discreet but powerful dash cam, the Rexing V1 is a standout choice. Its ultra-low-profile design lets it blend seamlessly onto the windshield, while the 2160p Ultra HD recording ensures we capture crisp, detailed footage, even at higher speeds. The 170-degree wide-angle lens and WDR technology give you a sweeping view of the road, balancing light and shadows perfectly for any driving condition. We also appreciate the supercapacitor, which handles extreme temperatures and improves durability, plus the parking monitor feature that records automatically when vibrations are detected. Loop recording and the G sensor make sure important videos are locked and preserved, so you never lose critical evidence. Connecting via Wi-Fi allows you to view, download, and share footage straight from your phone, making it incredibly convenient. With easy setup, high-quality recording, and reliable protection, the Rexing V1 delivers premium features at a budget-friendly price. When it comes to compact dash cams that pack a punch, the Vantrue E1 Lite really stands out. Its 1080p Full HD recording at 30 frames per second, combined with a 160-degree wide-angle lens and HDR technology, ensures we catch every detail, from license plates to subtle road events, day or night. The mini design keeps our windshield clear, making it perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs alike. Built-in GPS tracks speed, location, and routes, while Wi-Fi and the free app make reviewing, editing, and sharing footage effortless. We also love the hands-free voice control, letting us manage recordings without taking our hands off the wheel. Parking mode keeps an eye on the vehicle when you're away, triggered by motion or collisions, with emergency videos locked for safety. With easy installation, loop recording, and a durable design built for extreme weather, the Vantrue E1 Lite delivers reliable, all-day protection at a budget-friendly price. Unlike many dash cams that simply record, the Scosche Nexs1 adds an extra layer of protection with real-time safety alerts. Powered by Nexar's cloud intelligence and driver assistance features, it warns you of forward collisions, lane departures, and even traffic light changes, capabilities usually reserved for premium systems. The camera uses a 140-degree Sony Starvis sensor with HDR, offering reliable performance in both bright and low-light conditions. A standout feature is its one-click insurance report. After an accident, the system automatically compiles video footage and key details, making claims quicker and less stressful. User feedback is mixed. Drivers enjoy its easy app setup, cloud storage for critical clips, and parking mode that works without hardwiring. However, video sharpness is sometimes just good enough, and device compatibility is limited to certain iPhone, Samsung, Pixel, and LG models. For those who value detection and backups over pure resolution, the Nexs1 offers excellent peace of mind. For those of us who want total coverage on the road without spending a fortune, the LECTRUS 4K 3-channel dash cam is a serious contender. It captures ultra-clear 4K footage from the front, rear, and interior, leaving no blind spots and ensuring every detail is recorded. Night vision and high-sensitivity sensors mean even low-light drives are captured clearly, while the wide-angle lenses maximize coverage. The built-in G sensor triggers emergency recording during collisions, and parking mode keeps an eye on the vehicle even when you're away, though an additional power supply is needed for continuous monitoring. Loop recording and a pre-installed 64GB SD card make storage management effortless, with support for up to 256GB for extended recording. We also love the convenience of 5G Wi-Fi and the Lucky Cam app, letting us view and share footage instantly. Compact, feature-packed, and easy to install, this dash cam offers full protection at a budget-friendly price. And that wraps up our roundup of the 10 best budget dash cams that perform really well. Which one of these would you trust to capture every detail on your drives and keep your car safe? Let us know in the comments.